Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I have a double Louis Vuitton unboxing for you, and I also have some jewelry that I'm not really unboxing, but I'm unboxing without a box. So let's get right into this. I'm going to start with the jewelry. My husband and I just recently celebrated our 32nd wedding anniversary, and these are the gifts that he got me. Some years he totally surprises me with things. Some years he takes me to a store and says pick some things out, and that was what this year was like. And I had asked him earlier, I'm like, sometimes we just ask each other. I'm like, so what are you getting me for our anniversary? Okay, I always ask that. Doesn't mean he answers. He answered this year. He's like, a Louis Vuitton bag. And I'm like, well, what about Prada? He goes, sure, whatever. I looked online at Prada, and the one that I like from them, it's kind of like a crescent shaped bag, a lot like the Fendography. And if I was going to get that, I would get the Fendi bag. So we didn't end up going into Prada. They have some cute things, but nothing that I wanted, and so we did Louis Vuitton. But we went in a jewelry store, and I found a gemstone that I have wanted forever, and I don't know why it has taken me so long to purchase it. The gemstone is called Larimar, and it is an extremely rare gemstone. It is only found in the Dominican Republic. The brand is Mar-a-Lago. Show you that, and I've heard of this brand for 10 plus years, and I think it's very, very interesting. I'm just going to read a tiny little bit of it. It is the gemstone of the Caribbean, not only because of where it is located, but because it basically perfectly mimics the various colors of the sea. It is unknown why Larimar is only formed in this one location, but more than likely it was a unique volcanic event. So I am going to be inserting close-ups, you know I will, but I got the bracelet, and the bracelet alternates Swiss blue topaz, which I think they call it Caribbean or something. They call it, you know how David Yurman calls his Hampton blue? They call it something like that. So there's the teardrops on the Larimar, and then the Swiss blue topaz in between, and then I went with teardrops for all of the Larimar stones, and this ring is just stunning. This is not Swiss blue, this one is blue spinel, and then there's a little cultured freshwater pearl there, and then I got the teardrop earrings, and these are with the Swiss blue again, and they're just so beautiful. And the necklace is on like a more oxidized popcorn chain, and you slide it and it can go up to 21 inches. And I do turn it over just to show you the setting. Like if you go on their website, which it didn't occur to me to do while we were there. I used to be on their website all the time, probably 10 years ago, but it tells you about why they set the gemstones the way that they do, and they only use the upper 1% of the highest grade of Larimar. I tried to do my nails to match the jewelry. I know my cuticles are atrocious. I did my best. Do you do your own nails? It's so hard with the cuticles. So I know they're sloppy, but anyways, here is my receipt from Louis Vuitton, and I'm really excited about this jewelry. I was like, what outfit am I gonna wear to make this thing work? Because this is I was wearing very tropical things. So from Louis Vuitton, this is something I have never ever been interested in ever as long as I've seen these pieces. It is from the Christmas animation line. And while I have always found them cute, there was just nothing that made me want to run out and buy a piece until this year. And I will share with you what changed and why I wanted this piece. So, little bitty dust bag, little drawer box, and it is the key pouch, and it has the ice skaters on it. Excuse me, I just kicked that camera good and now it's not focusing. There we go. It has the ice skaters on it, and I look at it as big sister pulling little sister and the ice skating instructor. Our daughters took skating lessons for years and years and years, and they would go skating just for fun and on the weekends, and this just reminded me so much of our girls. I was like, I have to have it. So I got it. And then the inside of it is this beautiful bubblegum pink, and it is made in France. And I'm super excited to start using this put my key in it. I got 2 hot stamps. I already had the luggage tags, but I did get 2 hot stamps. I got the Aruba, come on, focus. I may have to come back in with my phone on that, but isn't that so cute? There it goes, finally. Isn't that cute? And then this one is one that I've already stamped on one side, and then the other side I got the Aruba stamp. I thought this would be cute because this show you how much smaller it is on my Speedy 20. So the bag, there's the box. We've all seen somebody open a box. We've all seen the dust bag. It's not a new release. It's not something that they just came out with. This is something that's been out since, I believe, 2017, and not until last year did this catch my eye. And I've thought about this for a while and finally added it. And we'll get into it, show you this, and then tell you the story. So it is the Neo Noe in the monogram print with the caramel trim, the caramel leather. I love this bag. I did not expect to love this bag. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this one on in a boutique before, but for my birthday, and I will insert some pictures, I purchased the leather version. I don't remember the color name, but I will write it down below, but it's like a pale gray with the giant logo in like a creamy white color. I thought that one was going to be perfect because of the top handle. I just thought it was just going to be fabulous. The top handle just, it was digging in. It was just poking me. So I would have had to take that off and put it back on, which I didn't want a bag this big to be handheld only. So I sent that one back, and the other reason I sent it back, it's almost an identical color to my Idyl special order from Hermes and my Fendi Peekaboo. I have a picture of those. So I didn't know what I was gonna get. I just knew we were gonna go in there and we were gonna look around. When I tried this on, because of the canvas and the way it smushes in on both sides, I find it very, very comfortable as a shoulder bag. The other one, the Empreinte one, was more stiff and it just wasn't a fit for me. So I know I'm probably the last person on the planet to get this bag. I will insert some close-ups of it. It is made in France, which you don't find a whole lot with canvas pieces anymore these days. So I thought that was kind of neat. I love the color way. I don't know what happened to me, but this is now my favorite color. I love this caramel tan shade. It goes with everything. It's absolutely beautiful. I will insert a mod shot of this. I'm not going to do what fits or any of that. I think what I will do in a later video is perhaps compare this to the BB size, because I'm sure there's tons and tons of what fits and all of that, because this is not new by any means. This has been out for a while, but it's just gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with it. It has this beautiful microfiber interior. I will be getting an insert from Simone for this because as you all know, the center pouch does not go all the way to the bottom. I have used this a few times already and things do slide. They definitely do slide, but it's so comfortable and easy to use. I'm really getting back into bigger bags again because you can just chuck whatever in there. You don't have to put it back in just this certain order, which I've gotten so used to doing. And I don't do the super mini small bags. Y'all know I am not into that at all, but this is just, it's squishy, it's comfortable, it's a beautiful color. It's gonna go with all of my boots. I've been showing y'all my boots and I had a pair on today when I did the mod shots, but super, super excited to have added these pieces. Very grateful to my husband for the gifts. I hope that you are having an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.